Hey class, it's me, Eren. I was actually thinking of doing something different. So, I was gonna put video games and physics together because why not? And I love video games, so I'm gonna use the game Just Cause 3 for this. So here is Just Cause 3. Even though it's not the most realistic game, it has good physics and one of the best physics that I know in a video game.
Full size.
So the first thing that I want to show was Newton's first law. So I just found this motorcycle, totally did not steal it, and let me show how this actually works. So as you know, when I hit something, the character
Fatality.
Oh, I did not mean to do that, but the character just flew out of the motorcycle because hey, I actually kind of messed up explaining it here, and I'm just talking about a lot of gibberish here. But what actually happened here was that both the person and the motorcycle were in motion, and then when they just came to an instant stop, they just both flew off. Okay, for Newton's second law, I need to find two cars of the same kind.
Bye, have a great time.
So I just found these two other cars now, and have just together with this piece of string. Please. Anyway, so these are the exact same car as I said before. So I am actually using force with this car by just basically stepping on the engine, and it makes this other car move a bit, at least. Well, I shouldn't make break the cars, but so the same thing can be said for this car actually. So they're the exact same car again, but because this car is actually adding more force, it's gonna make this other car go back. So I'm just gonna remove the steering.
In their tongue, he's no
Just gonna go
Dragon
ahead
Ball.
and hit it like something happened. Anyway, that was kind of what it basically was, to be honest. Newton's second law.
Cool guys don't look at explosions. They blow things up and then walk away. Who's got time to watch an explosion? There's cool guy areas that they have to walk to. Keep walking.
So now I'm gonna move on to speed and velocity, and I just needed to find the coolest car. Not like that one, but this bad boy.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling.
And I'm just gonna show speed and velocity and all that. Okay, speed nowadays is a term that we hear a lot in daily life, but actually, there's more in depth to it, of course, with the scientific things and all that. So right there, if you see, it shows the kilometers/hours, so that shows how many kilometers fast I can go. So beware in mind, this is not actually a real life simulator. It's just a video game. But anyway, speed is actually that thing, that meter, what it shows there.
Have you ever had a dream that you you'll do.
Like it says right now, like I'm going at 170 kilometers per hour. That is actually my speed there. Moving on to velocity. Velocity is actually pretty close to speed. Like they're like brothers kind of. So it's speed, and it has like a specific direction that it goes to. Another thing that I'm gonna talk about is going to be acceleration. Acceleration is actually something that goes on daily life, but isn't actually like mentioned as much, known like speed that much. So acceleration again is about speed, and it shows like if you see that meter again there, it shows how fast the meter goes up. Now it's accelerating to, like, when it accelerates, it actually means that it's getting faster by the second, like by the second or by the millisecond or whatever. By 1 second, like let's pretend that it goes 10 meters. Then after a while it starts getting faster and goes like 11 meters. That is acceleration. So the next thing that I'm gonna show is gonna be potential energy. And before I'm gonna say this again now, it's gonna be kind of obvious, but do not try this at home, friends. Do not try anything in this game at home, because it would not be very good. So actually, I'm gonna just jump off this rock and see how fast my character actually falls. So like he's just going faster, faster, faster. Okay, I'm just gonna open the parachute so I don't die. But I was gonna show that if I do that off like a building, like let's do this little pink building here. So if I jump from here, actually, it wasn't dropping as fast. So now I actually want to show kinetic energy, but I'm actually going to show potential energy with it too. I'm actually falling pretty fast. And when I just open my flaps, I just go really, really much faster. Even faster than that helicopter falling right now. And for this is actually like potential energy falling, and then now the flaps are making it easier when I do like this for me to fall. So let me actually get to the ground. Where's the helicopter? I just want to see. This game actually has a very massive world, as you see. Now I'm just gonna, for the second law, an example, I just opened a parachute, which actually kind of swung me up. That's it. Hey class, thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you. Bye.